Hello friends, welcome to Easy Cooking. Today we'll be making a breakfast burrito. So today we are going to use tofu instead of eggs. This is a great breakfast recipe for the people who do not eat eggs. Even the people who eat eggs can try it with tofu. It does taste really good. So I have tofu here in a bowl. I have one medium-sized onion. I have some frozen spinach. I was not able to find fresh spinach, so this is what we are going to use. I have some broccoli chopped. I have green and red peppers. Have olive oil today, and have mozzarella cheese, salt, pepper, and I'll be using a little bit of garlic powder today. So let's get started. I'll turn on the gas. We'll leave it on medium when we start. So I'm going to put 3 spoons of olive oil, and let's start crumbling our tofu. Okay, our tofu is crumbled. Still waiting for the oil to heat up, so we'll just wait a minute. Okay, looks like our oil is ready, and we'll start putting the tofu in. Today we'll be using very few spices. So I'm just going to put some pepper powder. You can put it as per your taste. And I will be putting some salt. And this is garlic powder. Again, as per your taste, you can skip it if you want. There are some chunks here, so I'm going to break them. We'll leave it on the gas for 5 minutes until it releases the water. You can see it's already releasing water. We don't want it to be wet. It has to be dry and cooked, so it takes about 5 minutes. So we'll just let it be on the medium flame for 5 minutes. Okay, it's been about 2.5 minutes, and you can see it's releasing water. You can stir it occasionally. You don't have to stir it all the time. So let's give it about 2 more minutes to cook, and then we can start sauteing our vegetables. Okay, now it's been 6 minutes, and I'm going to take the tofu out in the bowl. I'm going to do the vegetables now after we take out the tofu. You can see all the water is released, so we'll just take the tofu out. Okay, so I just rinsed the kadai after transferring the tofu in the bowl, and now we'll be using olive oil again. 3 spoons for the vegetables. So once the oil heats up, we'll be adding our vegetables. Again, the flame is low, between low and medium. It's not exactly on low. So you just want to make sure you don't put your vegetables in until your oil is heated up. Okay, so looks like our oil is heated up, and I'll start with the onions. We'll put onions. And spinach. Broccoli. Green and red peppers. And now same spices. Pepper powder. Salt. And garlic powder. If you are not too sure about the salt, you can always taste it, and you can add some more if needed. I always prefer to add less, so if you need more, you can always add it. Okay, so we are not going to cook these vegetables completely. We'll just leave it on the gas for about 3 to 4 minutes, and then we can start assembling our breakfast burrito. Okay, it's been 4 minutes, and I'm going to turn off the gas now. Our vegetables are sauteed nicely, so I just turned off the gas, and now we'll start working on the tortilla. Okay, so I have tortillas here, and I just took them out of the refrigerator, so I'm going to heat them in the microwave for 15 seconds. It just becomes easier to roll when they are a little bit soft and warm. Okay, so now we'll be putting our tofu in the plate. Just a little bit more, and we can put our vegetables. And I'll put some cheese. Now it's time to roll our burrito. You want to make sure you roll it nice and tight. Okay, so here our breakfast burrito is ready. Okay, so I'm going to cut from the middle. This is a good recipe for work, so if you want to take it to work. Okay, see how nice it looks? Do try it out. Thank you for watching the video. Friends, please do share and subscribe if you like this video. Thank you.